na ipakita sa inyo. I got the wrong dog! Who are you? I was 20 minutes late. At ako lang sa kanya. Hold on! Oh my God, ang daming tumanda. Today is my second day at my driving school, so wish me luck! Hey guys, good morning. So today is July 14th, if I'm not mistaken, and it's already 6:35 a.m. Actually, yesterday is my first day at my driving school. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi I was 20 minutes late and I'm not so proud of it. Sobrang nababatrip ako sa sarili ko. Feeling ko kasi parang noon na lang ako nagkaroon ng alis na may schedule. So, at first, sobrang parang nagpapetics ako. And good thing na lang kasi it's nearby my school lang before in UST. Kasi nag-commute lang ako. So, wala maghahatid sa akin. Yung mom ko, may work siya. So, she can't drive me to my driving school. So, ayun, I had to commute alone. And, yun, napapetics ako. Ayan, sobrang na-late ako kahapon. Buti na lang. Hindi pa sila nagsisimula, pero grabe, first time ko ma-late ng ganun katagal. 20 minutes. And I'm so happy kasi I was still able to ace my exam kahit na na-late ako. Maybe later or once na ma-finish ko na tong seminar, I'll give you lahat ng information. Paano makakuha ng student permit, paano ka mag-apply for the driving school, both theoretical and practical, para you guys have an idea if how much na nagastos ko and how's the process. Kasi honestly, in my case, medyo nahirapan ako to process this whole thing kasi medyo nagkaroon ako ng misinformation. Medyo nagpabalik-balik ako kaya natagalan tong driving school ko. But yun, I'm so happy kasi once na mapasa ko tong theoretical exam, I can already apply for my practical. Yun yung magdadrive ka talaga. And after nun, oh my gosh, I'm already entitled for my driver's license. Sobrang tagal kong inantay to guys. Like, siguro nag-start akong ayusin to like April ata? April. Yeah, April. Kasi March kami bumili ng kotse. Outfit check for today. So, this top, it's from Shopee. I'll be leaving a link down below. And then this pants, I believe this is from Surplus. Sobrang comfy lang. Magba-vans na lang ako para comfy kasi feeling ko ulan din. Medyo gloomy. And yeah, today is my second day at my driving school. So, wish me luck!
So first thing that you need to do is to gather all of the necessary documents to apply for a student permit. And here are the following: original and photocopy of birth certificate, original and photocopy of one government-issued ID. As for me, I used my Philippine passport, but I will be putting the link below for the acceptable government-issued IDs. 15 hours of theoretical driving lesson from any accredited driving school, medical certificate, and marriage certificate if applicable. To get a student permit, proceed to the customer service counter and fill out first the driver's license application form, which you can also find and download online. Once done, submit the required documents to the evaluator counter and have it checked for completeness and authenticity. After that, proceed where your photo and signature will be taken. Soon after, your name will be called, so proceed to the cashier and pay the application fees. And you're done. Just present your official receipt at the releasing counter to claim your student permit. Moving on to the expenses, I took my theoretical driving course at Smart Driving School España, Manila, which cost me 2,050 pesos, including 15 hours or 3 days of theoretical driving lesson, handbook with reviewer, written examination, and LTO theoretical driving course certificate. You can visit any of their branches and they will have everything prepared for you. Just to give you a heads up, the medical certificate is only valid within 3 months, so I highly suggest that you get them once you have already completed everything else. Because unfortunately, in my case, I got my medical certificate before the second lockdown happened, which was back in March, and my driving school only resumed last July. So technically, my medical certificate already expired, but thank God, LTO was kind enough to spare me the hassle. However, I was advised to get another medical certificate once I'm about to apply for my driver's license. By the way, medical examinations are usually done around the vicinity of the LTO office, so just make sure that it's an accredited clinic. This medical exam usually usually costs around 500 pesos but still depends on the clinic you're going to take it. On top of that, it will cost you 250 pesos for the student permit fee, and this payment will be collated at the LTO office once you have already submitted all of the requirements.
Having Creole grilled chicken, and then si Mama is having signature steak. And we're currently here in Landmarks in UP Town. So earlier, pumunta kami sa Petron nearby UP Town lang din. Like ilang minutes na. Tapos yun, nagpakabit kami ng auto sweep na sticker. Hindi na lang available kagad. Pwede na kami magtagaytay! Yay! Sa birthday ko! Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina, but I'm already done with my theoretical exam for driving school. So I'm so happy for that. Kasi ilang araw din ako na 8 AM. Actually, 5:30 ako gumigising kasi sobrang traffic na kasi hindi ako hinatid ni Mama kasi may workshop. So I had to commute. And then kanina natapos na yung final exam namin. Yung next na gagawin ko is mag-wait ako for the results. So sabi nila it would take around 2 to 3 days. And then if wala pa, I have to email Smart Driving School for that if nakapasa ba ako or hindi. After naman nun, I have to wait naman for 5 business days for my certificate kasi yun yung kailangan ko, like a proof na I was able to finish my theoretical exam. And then yun yung ipapakita ko sa LTO to apply for a student permit. Masya-shy ako. Oh my God, ang daming dumanda. Noon kasi plan ako sa Smart Driving School din kasi para same na lang din yung practical exam. Mag-drive ka na talaga ng car, but medyo mahal kasi siya. It's around 4,400 pesos automatic kasi done yun. Most likely around September or end of September ako makakuha ng driver's license. But okay lang. At least bago mag-end yung taon, nakakuha na ako ng driver's license. So, sobrang tagal ko talaga inantayan. Like, April. Yeah, April ko pa siya pinlano. Month after namin makakuha ng kotse. Kaso yun nga, di ba nag-lockdown, sobrang nausog yung driving school. Hindi na ako pwede lumipat sa iba kasi nakapag-full payment na ako and bawal siya i-refund. So I have to wait kung kailan sila mag-open. Right now, we're here in UP Town having some merienda pero dinner na. Kasi gutom na kami. After this one, mag-iikot lang siguro kami and then later on, pupunta na kami dun sa church nearby sa house namin kasi nakaschedule kami for blessing na lang kami. Hey guys, so it's already 5:26 p.m. and we're already done with our errands. Right now, on the way na kami papunta dun sa church. So, after yun ng mass, then ipapa-blessing na. And yun, I'll see you guys later. Pumunta na kami. Bye! Buti na lang, we found this vet. Malapit lang sa amin. Super bait nila. So, ayun, ngayon na lang ulit siya magpapa-grooming. Yung last is nung December pa. Last year. And we're waiting for our turn! Yeah, look at the face. Sobrang magambaga. Antok pa ako. It's only 9:41 a.m. And we're scheduled at 10 a.m. So, yeah. Oh my God. I got the wrong dog. Who are you? Kalbo. Di kita kilala. Bakit ka nandito sa kotse? Look at you, meme face. We just got home. By the way, it's already 2 p.m. And yun, kakauwi lang namin from the vet kasi, ayun, pinabakunahan ko yung dog ko, si Chubbs, and nagpag-grooming din kami. And he's a bit stressful right now. So yun, we're already done kasi pinaplano namin na dalhin din kasi siya sa Batangas sa birthday ko sa August. Kasi I really badly wanna see if ano yung reaction niya kapag nakakita siya ng sand, ng pool, or ng beach, ganyan. Gusto na namin siyang gawin sa birthday ko kasi since may car na nga kami, medyo, alam mo yun, convenient na sa amin. Kasi hindi na kami magko-commute and all that. I'm so happy kasi he is already fully protected. And even us, vaccinated na din kami by the time. Yung next agenda naman natin for today is, ayan, I want to, wait lang, mapakita ko lang sa kanya. Hold on! God, it's so heavy. You guys can see this. Oh my God, it's so huge. Okay, so just wanna unbox this huge thing over here. Sobrang excited ako to receive this one kasi ang tagal, matagal ko ba siya nakuha? Siguro about 3 to 4 days bago ko to nakuha. But I'm very excited because this is something that I don't usually purchase from Shopee kasi you know me, yung mga previous hauls ko, yung mga kaartehan. And usually, di ba, affordable and quality ones. But this one, it's a bit expensive. But it's really an investment kasi sobrang tagal ko na talagang inaantay to. Iniisip ko yung tamang timing to get this one kasi medyo mahal nga siya. But naisip ko din kasi na I think I can really use this in the long run. Also, the reason why hindi ako makapaglinis ng kwarto, medyo maayos lang siya sa camera tignan, but trust me, ang gulo talaga ng kwarto ko. That's why I got my new vacuum. Sobrang na-excite ako kasi I know this is more on the tita thing side. Oh my gosh, gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo. Wait lang, i-unbox ko na siya. Sobrang convenient talaga to buy things from Shopee kasi ang daming benefits eh. As for me, nung binili ko tong vacuum nung 7.7, naka-minus ako ng 200 pesos kasi originally, the price of this vacuum is 1,611, but then I got this for 1,416 pesos na lang. Imagine, naka 200 pesos ako na minus dun sa original price niya. So, the reason why nakatipid ako ng 200 pesos nung check out ko na siya, kasi first, I have the free shipping fee voucher. And second, since Gold Loyalty member na ako with Shopee, meron akong benefit. So, it's like 15% off ata. Tapos, meron ka pang isang option na 10% cashback. Kaya, mag-Shopee na kayo, guys. I highly recommend. And let's go ahead and unbox this vacuum. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ooh! Oh my God! Alam nyo guys, one of the reasons why I got this kind of vacuum kasi pwede mo siya sa floor, of course, and then pwede din siyang gawing portable para kunyari may mga alikabok sa mga kurtina, pwede mo din siya magamit. Like, pwede mo siyang nakaganito lang. Oh my gosh! Na-excite ako, Mars! Parang, pag gagamitin ko na to, sisipagin na ako maglinis. Sure! Ang ganda naman yan! Ang ganda naman ng vacuum! this is what it looks like. I just want you to see this up close para in case na you want to buy something like this. Ito yung itsura niya. And this is the brand. It's Deerma. Dito makikita na pumapasok na yung mga dirt and stuff. Tapos, ito, matatanggal mo to. Kaya, pwede mo din siyang magamit if ever sa mga curtain or sa wall. Tapos, ayan, ito yung itsura niya sa floor. Nilagay ko siya dito sa bubble wrap kasi medyo nagsislide siya pag nasa sahig lang. Okay, so we're gonna use it now. Uy, grabe. Ang ganda ng suction niya. Kasi meron akong boring mat dito. Yung parang banig, ganon. Tapos, sobrang nakukuha niya lahat. Tapos, hindi nagsistick yung, yung pang-suction niya dun sa boring mat. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda. Tingnan mo. Ang dami pala yung jobs na nakuha agad. Grabe. Guys, this is the best purchase of the year. Bumili na kayo nito, promise. Sobrang ganda niya. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan na. This is my buri mat. And ayan, merong mga maliliit na balahibo ni Chobs dyan. Open na natin. When I got this buri mat, itong parang banig sa floor, this is for the mirror para hindi nag-slide yung stand niya. Nahirapan ako linisin kahit gamit ko yung vacuum ko before kasi nagsistick mga fur niya dito sa banig. So, ang hirap niya talaga tanggalin. Parang kailangan i-handpick ko siya with a tissue. Sobrang ganda talaga ng suction nitong vacuum na to. As in, hindi siya nagsistick dun sa banig and at the same time, nakukuha niya lahat ng mga fur, lahat ng mga dirt. So, most probably mag-general cleaning ako ng room on weekend. But right now, maglilinis lang ako dito sa gitnang part ng sahig para at least matanggal yung ibang mga fur. So, yun! Excited na ako!